Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope everything's well with you. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Aries. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you for this week of July. Okay, Aries. For Aries, please, energies and messages this week of July. Aries. Okay. For Aries, energies and messages for Aries. Wealth, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are enjoying your wealth, okay? Tuloy-tuloy ang pagpasok ng wealth, ng kaperahan sa inyo. You are successful in your work, in your business, sa inyong ginagawa, okay? Crack up, dissatisfaction with life. Yung iba sa inyo, merong problem, okay? May iniindang na mga challenges at problema sa buhay. You are not satisfied. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa, Aries. Keep moving forward. Okay. Throne, position of authority. Okay. For some of you, may mataas na ranggo or mataas na posisyon sa trabaho. Okay. Yung iba, you are a decision maker in a company or sa work ninyo. Maraming umaasa sa inyong leadership, sumusunod sa inyo. You are respected or well respected. Gong, an exciting event. May mga exciting na pangyayari na darating sa inyo, Aries. You are looking forward to that. Okay. Yeah. Stuff, you will be taken care of in difficult times. So, wag kayong mag-aalala kung may mga problema kayo or makakaharap kayo sa isang problema. Okay, sa work, sa finances, in your personal life or relationship. Merong magpoprotekta sa inyo. Okay. You will be taken care of. May mga taong nagmamahal sa inyo, okay? Family members, or colleagues, or your friends, okay? Merong magsusupport. We have the heart. Love, deep affection, and caring, okay? For some, meron kayong mga concerns or issues about the matters of the heart, okay? Yeah. Merong taong mahal ka, may malalim na pagmamahal sa inyo, okay? Take care for you a lot, Aries. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga messages from the tarot for Aries, please. Energies and messages for Aries. Messages and energies for Aries. Ano mga paparating o aasahan, gabay for Aries, please. Aries. Aries. Okay. Magkakaroon ng give and take sa inyong relationship. Meron kayong pagbibigyan ng atensyon. For some of you, makakatanggap ka ng atensyon or raise of money, gifts. Okay, you will have enough to pay off debts or loans. Yeah. Magkakaroon na kayo ng solusyon sa inyong mga problema, okay? May mga tao na lalapit din at hihingi ng tulong sa inyo. It is asking you to be generous. This card is asking you to be generous, okay, and be understanding. Most especially in the matters of when it comes to financial matter, okay? Yeah. Yes, may mga delays or may mga fears surrounding money. Yung iba, iiwanan nyo na yung ganitong sitwasyon. Delays are over. Okay? Yung merong ibang tao nag-aantay ng inyong atensyon, ng inyong tawag, ng inyong communication. Okay? Money. Okay. Delays are over. You will be overcoming financial difficulties and challenges. This is a successful time for you, Aries. Okay. Kung ano yung pangangailangan ng inyong pamilya, you will provide it. Okay. Merong kasaganahan. Pagkatapos ng mga economic setbacks, financial setbacks, okay, magkakaroon ng kaginhawaan sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay, hard work will pay off. Merong promotion na mangyayari, okay. Yes, you will be independent or financially independent. New opportunities will come in. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, continue naghahanap ng paraan how to improve their money, their situation, okay, sa trabahong man, sa kanilang ginagawa or sa inyong ginagawa, okay? You are thinking of ways on how to save up or how to save money, how to be financially independent. Ina-assess ninyo kung anong nangyayari sa inyong pera, sa inyong sitwasyon, sa business ninyo or sa work man. Ano yung problema, anong kailangan ko i-improve. Okay, merong ganyan. Minsan kailangan mo rin take a pause, take a rest for a while para makapag-isip ka ng mga solusyon sa inyong problema or sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay. You want to be financially independent, Aries? Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga taong nagmamasid, okay? Kumukuha ng mga information, merong inggit na nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon because you have the ability to make more money, okay? So, nag-iisip sila ng paraan paano sila makapag-benefit, okay? May mga naiinggit, kumukuha ng information. You are very intuitive about this. Alam mo na nangyayari ito. Nararamdaman mo yun. Okay? For some of you, merong issues or problema between you and your father. Okay. Yan. Kailangan niya ang inyong tulong. Okay. Kailangan niya ng inyong atensyon. For some of you, yung support ng inyong family nandyan, okay? Merong blessings na darating para sa inyo, okay? Merong love and support. Yeah. For some of you, a father figure is waiting for that on you. Kailangan ng inyong attention and support, Aries. Okay? Yeah. When it comes to your material wealth, you are successful, okay? Maraming blessings na darating sa inyo. Okay? For some of you, kailangan nila ng inyong tulong. Ang inyong suporta, okay? They need it from you. Some of you are dealing with a water sign, a Scorpio, a Capricorn, okay? Earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, and what's the other one? Capricorn and Taurus, okay? Yeah. Mag-ingat sa mga dishonesty, deception na gagawin sa inyo, okay? Betrayal. May gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa inyo, Aries. Ayan. You are not accepting dishonesty any longer, okay? Kung meron mang deception, you are straightforward. You're cutting it off, okay? You've been through a lot. Marami ka ng pinagdaanan, okay? Yung hard work ninyo. Marami ka mga obligasyon, responsibilities, okay? But you will overcome it, Aries. Yeah. Okay. Merong emotional satisfaction sa inyo. Emotional fulfillment and happiness na parating, okay? Huwag sumuko, huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Yung pangangailangan ng inyong family, material needs or emotional needs will be met, okay? Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa, may mga solusyon sa inyong problema. Okay? Tough love, sometimes kailangan ng tough love when it comes to your family, most especially for those sa paligid ninyo or family members na parang hindi na fair ang ginagawa sa inyo, okay? You need to be strict sometimes, Aries. For some of you, material-wise, you are okay. When it comes to wealth, material wealth, finances, But emotionally, or when it comes to your love relationship, you feel alone, okay? You are bored. Sometimes bored ka sa inyong life or sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? For some of you, merong silent treatment. Sometimes you also feel lazy in doing things. Parang gusto mo lang nandyan ka lang sa corner, okay? Nag-iisip ng mga bagay na sometimes hindi naman nakakatulong sa inyo, okay? May mga ino-offer sa inyo, nagyayaya, but you don't want to go out for some of you. Yeah. May mga opportunities na ino-offer sa iyo but you don't want, or you are wasting time, you are procrastinating, okay? Yeah. Mayroong disappointment sa mga situation na nangyayari sa inyo. But keep moving forward, Aries, okay? Kung meron man kayong problema, merong solusyon na darating, merong help and support para sa inyo. Be kind at the same time, okay? For some of you, merong kailangan ng inyong mga advice, kind words, okay? Kailangan ng inyong emotional wisdom. Parang ang daming nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon, Aries. Pero merong self-fulfillment, okay? Your material needs will be met, okay? Merong support when it comes to that. You are making money, you are doing well. Yeah. Yes. Meron kayong gustong i-clarify. You need some spiritual wisdom, okay? May mga questions kayo. May mga ina-analyze. May ina-analyze kayo sa inyong sitwasyon. May gusto kayong alamin. You want answers, Aries, okay? Gusto mo ng clarification and enlightenment. Yeah. You need to bring back the passion, okay, sa trabaho mo. May mga plans ka, may mga nilulook forward ka na mga events or happenings, okay, exciting events. Yeah. Sunshine. You will be happy. Okay. You will be victorious in the end, okay? Yeah, focus. Focus ka sa inyong ginagawa. Huwag kang ma-disalign, okay? Huwag kang madismaya. Focus ka lang sa goals or sa target ninyo, okay? And be a leader. Everyone needs you. Or sa trabaho mo, ikaw lang din ang inaasahan, okay? Nagdedepende sila sa inyo, okay, Aries? They need your leadership. Yeah. Tingnan natin paano yung messages sa inyo. Angel message for Aries, please. Aries. Love and support will be there. Okay? Huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Huwag kayo panghinaan ng loob. Okay? Okay. Pay yourself first. Make yourself your most important financial obligation by setting aside a portion of your income every time you are paid. This loving form of self-care ensures that you will have savings to invest in your present and your future. Okay, self-care. Message from the angel number. Set aside a portion of your income, Aries. Magtira ka para sa sarili mo. Okay? Number 16. If you keep seeing the number 16, this is the message for you. You have an inquisitive mind that allows you to uncover important truths. You have a special ability to read into other people's feelings, a wisdom seeker, and your angels ask to share your knowledge for the benefit of others. I am perceptive. Okay, you are perceptive, Aries. So this is the message for you. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Aries, and see you on the next video. Bye!